Good day crypto traders. Today I speak regarding Ripple and Bitcoin price prediction. Ripple, XRP, price is expected to rise above the 200-day simple moving average, SMA, in a repeating pattern seen last week and the week before, with bulls hitting major pivots or technical levels every time. May recover beyond. The bulls have had an easy time so far, but headwinds are on the horizon as the central bank kicks off its first central bank meeting of the year. The revenue target for the first quarter is set at 49 cents, which may be a bit overkill given the headwinds next week. Ripple price repeats the same playbook strategy of the last 4 weeks of rally. A bull can always control a critical area above a critical skill level or area. This is a very solid and well-managed strategy, but the problem is that the next profit target was set in Q1 and there is no handle between now and 49 cents. Therefore, the XRP price is in danger of collapsing like Trump's house to reach 49 cents. The appearance of the U.S. Federal Reserve, Fed, and its chair Jerome Powell early next week could dampen bullish sentiment. Expect the 200-day SMA and 55-day SMA to test support levels before $0.3616 intervenes and sees the upside not subsiding much. A positive surprise might be Jerome Powell changing his stance and returning to his usual dove. This means the Federal Reserve does not expect inflation to remain stable or rise again. If Powell even says inflation is dropping rapidly, XRP's price will skyrocket, hitting 49 cents above 20%. Bitcoin, BTC, price has surged significantly in the first few weeks of the year, and inflation will remain a major problem in 2023. Because the central bank is right that inflation is not at the level it needs to be. The market has been too eager to price the current decline as a straight drop. This means that the market is rapidly recovering, or hoping to recover, towards all-time highs. With the price of Bitcoin, traders are learning to deal with reality the hard way. The market wants to price in an almost linear drop in inflation to his 2%, but the reality is right now nothing is farther from reality than dealers who aren't paying attention to what's going on are overlooking that job cuts are gaining momentum, and several automakers are shutting down production lines for several new car models over the technical holidays. Paused and closed. That would push up used car prices again, pushing inflation up again. BTC will initially take a hit towards $20,000 from central banks due in early February. If pressure builds and producer price indices and inflation rise, Bitcoin price action could fall towards $16,020 instead of falling further with a large rotation of risky assets. There is. The next profit level at $28,695 is too far away and unachievable in these circumstances, so traders will quickly release their long positions. Of course, chip shortages are only part of the economy, as some commodity prices are currently below their all-time highs. The same is true for U.S. interest rates and the U.S. dollar, with corresponding segments of assets declining or weakening across the board. If the Fed confirms next week that the markets are right and will start cutting rates for 2023, it will breathe a sigh of relief and last-minute hesitant bulls will join the rally to push price action further to stabilize. A rally is expected. BTC will reach $28,695. A few weeks, 2 months at the most.